thoughtful exploration of change. A journey that invites you to question whether true comfort lies in the familiar or the exhilarating embrace of uncertainty. Today, we delve into how chaos, often seen as disruptive, can actually serve as the catalyst for profound personal transformation. In the dance of life, change takes on a dual nature that both comforts and challenges us. The stability of our daily routines offers a steady heartbeat, a reliable compass in a world that often seems unpredictable. Yet, it is precisely this same environment, marked by repetition and familiarity, that can sometimes dull the senses and obscure the possibility for something new. One might ask, is it in the disruption of routine that we find the spark for transformation? As we consider the unpredictable rhythm of chaos, we begin to appreciate its essential role in shaking loose the inertia that binds us to past habits. In the collision between security and spontaneity lies a profound opportunity, a chance to reimagine our identity and embrace a future unburdened by the confines of certainty. Reflecting on this balance invites us to view stability not as a prison, but as a launching pad from which the unknown can propel us towards growth. The quiet comfort of routine and the vibrant pulse of chaos are not competitors, but partners in the ongoing story of becoming, each steering us toward new beginnings in their own unique way. Imagine for a moment that the familiar world you inhabit is like a well-worn path in the forest, safe, measurable, yet predictable. Now, picture a sudden clearing open to a wild, uncharted landscape. It's here, amid the unfamiliarity, that we find opportunities waiting to be discovered, and it's through embracing this uncertainty that our minds expand. The mind-bending thought experiments we explore ask us to consider, could the unknown, rather than being a danger, actually be the cradle of our growth? Reflect on a time when an unexpected twist led you to a revelation, however small it may have seemed. These personal vignettes remind us that every leap into the unexplored has the potential to redefine what we thought we knew about ourselves and our world. In our discussions, we challenge the comforting notion of absolute stability by inviting debates that delve into the idea that what we perceive as chaos might actually be an intricate tapestry of possibilities. One might ponder, if stability is the steady rhythm of a metronome, isn't uncertainty the improvisation that gives music its soul and character? This internal debate mirrors many of life's paradoxes. On one hand, the security we cling to protects us from the pain of loss and failure. On the other, it might also restrain us from experiencing the enlightening beauty of transformation. Consider the intimate story of a person who, at a crossroads in life, chose to diverge from the planned route and discovered a passion that redefined their existence. Such narratives compel us to ask, how often do we shutter the doors of adventure by simply avoiding the unknown? It is through questioning these ingrained habits that we begin to unravel the layers of our self-imposed limitations. The willingness to traverse off the beaten path doesn't guarantee an easy journey, but it does promise the kind of growth and self-understanding that only the unpredictable can bestow. By embracing uncertainty, we allow ourselves to engage in a dialogue with life, a dialogue characterized not by the fear of the uncharted, but by the wonder and curiosity it inspires. It is within this interplay of doubt and discovery that we learn the art of living fully, appreciating not just the destination, but every transformative moment along the way. The journey from chaos to action is not about plunging blindly into the void, but discovering how uncertainty can power a transformative momentum. Imagine harnessing a storm's energy and channeling it to propel you toward growth. In the meeting point of philosophy and practicality, we learn to see the unknown not merely as a threat, but as a reservoir of latent opportunity. Every measured step, no matter how small, shifts us from reflection to realization. At the threshold of a new endeavor, as hesitation meets potential, action becomes the bridge that converts ambiguity into possibility. Consider your mind as a fertile field where ideas need deliberate planting through confident decisions. Bold moves might feel daunting at first, yet each act of courage is both a test of resolve and an invitation to rethink the boundaries of what is achievable. This journey reminds us that progress is not about forsaking caution, but about striking a balance between prudence and the willingness to innovate. Rather than clinging to a false sense of security, let the unpredictable pulses of life guide your creative energy into concrete outcomes. Every time you step beyond what is familiar, you affirm that vulnerability is not a setback, but a doorway to renewal. The dynamic energy of uncertainty fuels a quiet evolution, one that demands both self-confidence and a readiness to experiment with the boundaries of possibility. As you continue to traverse the space between fear and potential, remember that each deliberate act conquers inertia and reshapes your narrative. Transitioning from chaos to action means seizing the present as a catalyst for transformation, where the unknown itself becomes the impetus for a reimagined life.